Hi, this is a great way for applying Rocktape for Achilles pain. So you get the patient lying down, you cut 2 pieces of Rocktape, which I've cut before, a long piece and a shorter piece, and I have rounded the edges. It's just less likely to peel off if you've got rounded edges. So patient lying down, foot and leg at 90 degrees, and with the long piece, if you roll your thumb over the end of the tape, that's the easiest way to get the tape off. And you stick this down just at the ball of the foot and stick that on without any stretch. And then pull the backing tape away. And you want about 30% of stretch on this piece. So a little bit of stretch, and then come up and finish just below the knee and no stretch on the end. And then give that a good rub. The more you rub it, the better it will adhere and stay stuck on. And then with the shorter piece, make a little rip in the top, rip it all the way through, fold it back like a big band-aid, and you want more stretch on this piece. So the long piece was 30% stretch, this is about 50. So stretch first over the site of pain, which could be here at the insertion, it could be a bit higher up, mid-sectional, or even higher. So just wherever the pain is, over the side of pain, 50% stretch, and then let go before you stick the ends down. Give that a good rub as well. And Rocktape works a treat for Achilles pain. So there's a nice simple technique.